Crunch,
I like
munch, crunch.
Crunch Munch Crunch. Crunch Munch. Hold on, let me turn my fucking volume down, broski. Audio medic. Gameplay, music, voice, ambient.
I can hear music, but I'm looking at a black screen. Oh, never mind, we good.
Your blood. Alright, are we ready
I'm
to
not...
go?
Okay.
Yeah, you just run yourself into other cars with your— Oh my god, that is loud!
Bruh. Bruh. What button is what? What's boost? Oh, that's boost. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, I'm really out here eating chode. Oh my gosh.
I'm really good at this game, don't worry guys. I'm playing, I'm not.
Yo, why is this guy's name Mango Jewel Pod? Does it lag for you when you walk in? Good.
Mango Jewel Pod, you have to— Okay.
Mango Jewel Pod really out here being Mango Jewel Pod. Bruh.
Bruh. Oh, this guy's thought.
What?
Let's go! Let's go. That is bear come.
Alright, we out here. Oh, never mind. No, there is no bear come here.
No!
Oh, that is bear come! Stop it with the bear come. That is bear come!
That is bear come! That is bear come! That is bear come! That is bear come! Mango Jewel Pod, welcome. You're gonna get detention, boy.
Detention?
Cause you get detention for having jewels in the jewel room.
What?
Someone's peeing in the jewel room.
Yo, someone peeing in the jewel room. Get him out of here. Look at Mango Jewel Pod's clan. I think they were trying to spell Jesus, but they didn't have enough characters.
No!
Oh my god, we really out here getting.
Dude, that bounced off of me. If you look at my look, it's gonna bounce off of me. I'm gonna stay there.
That's a bro moment.
That's a bro moment. I was looking at the ball and wondering where it's gonna go. Mine, your pod just got demolished.
It's okay though, because Squid's gonna knock it away, and I'm gonna be like, bruh, I pressed the wrong button. Huh? Oh yeah. Report him for being bad.
Reported.
Hello, my name is Obabo, and you are under arrest for assaulting the president. I suck at this game.
I totally knocked that guy out of the way. And that guy failed to save. Alright, nice. Look at the guy said.
What? You what? What? Oh, I'm going for it.
Alright. What?
Why are they saying these things in chat?
Because that's Rocket League for you.
Hello, this is Microsoft Tech Support. May I help you?
No! Please.
Show me the full
No!
Oh,
hey,
I
nice.
saved it somehow.
How do you manage to do that? Oh my god! Ah! David!
Game! Oh! I don't know what's going on! What's happening in chat? We out here with 60 seconds left on the clock.
Wait. Oh no. You must score.
We only have 25 seconds left.
It's possible. I've seen it get pulled off in esports.
But that's esports. We're just a bunch of teenagers who are bad at games. Oh my gosh.
I'm going back to main menu.
Same. I don't want to play these people anymore. they're good at the game, which means that we're not going to be good at the game.
I'm gonna make us a new car. I'm gonna do some things with this thing, you know.
No, I don't. But okay.
we're gonna fucking make it blue team. We're gonna make it real blue. Actually, no.
We're gonna. You can
So
straight up
obviously-
buy XP.
Pretty much. What's that? Well, that doesn't look good on that car, does it?
Oh, they're trying to be
no. They're trying to be cray.
Oh,
Yeah,
I thought this was 90s.
His name is 80s, Brewski.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure Ghostbusters is 80s.
I got my times all mixed up.
I'm pretty sure we just offended like a lot of people if they watch our videos.
No, it don't matter. No one watches videos.
Yeah, nobody watches our videos because our
Yeah, and if you are watching, what are you doing?
what are you doing with your life?
Go do something better.
They're trying to be
great.
Oh, it's glitch. It's called a glitch. Oh, that does not sound nice. Okay.
You're telling me they was looking at me like the motherfucking glitch?
Have y'all ever seen Wreck-It Ralph? Yeah. You remember how that girl in there, the people that was racing, they were, yeah, she was the glitch. Yeah. You telling me they don't look at me like the mother?
Use power slide to turn more quickly than normal. Bro, I don't care.
Oh, bro.
I heard something in the background, dude.
Is that me?
No. No, I don't think so.
Bruh.
Do you hear it?
Oh, yep. Yep. Yep.
Yep. Bro, my mom is watching Stranger Things right now.
Oh, yes, yes, I watched that. I finished it.
I think someone dying or something because she's screaming.
Is she on the last episode?
I don't know.
That was almost very calm. Oh, I think they're running from a monster.
What?
Yeah, they're running from a monster. I feel like they're in a hospital right now. The kids, the teenagers that are there, and they're running from in a hospital from a monster.
Running from James Charles.
Basically. Oh yeah, they're definitely running from something. Or they're in the last episode and they're fighting inside of a mall. Yes! Let's go! You win video games.
Yeah.
Touchdown, Denver Broncos.
My name is Travis Touchdown. And I am all out of ass. Oh!
It's time to get gum and chew ass. I'm all out of ass. Dick kick 'em.
Dick kick.
Jaw.